Here is a 2023 F150 Lariat, and today we will be replacing the passenger rear taillight. I bought the new taillight on Amazon.com for about $300, and the first step here is going to be grabbing an 8mm socket. There are two bolts holding on the taillight, one on top, one on bottom. And then once those two bolts are out, the taillight should just pop out. Just be careful to not yank too hard on it. There are plastic clips in there, so just be mindful of that. And then on this truck, there's just one electrical connection right there that you can just remove. So that's the old housing. The old housing was damaged just on the outside there. None of the electronics were damaged, and I'm just removing the existing clip right there. So I'm just going to put that back in right there. So this is the new taillight housing, and what we have to do is we have to transfer over the radar from the old housing to the new housing. So the housing itself is only about $300 aftermarket. The expensive part on this, if you were to do it at a dealership, would be that radar. So how they do it is, if you were to go to a dealership to do this, they have to order the radar itself as well. So that radar is about $1,000. So I'm just transferring the old radar into the new housing. Now that area is held on by four fasteners, so just remove those 4 screws and just be mindful about the waterproofing in there. There is a gasket, a red gasket that keeps everything nice and sealed, because that radar does, it has to stay dry in order for it to work. So the radar will pop out just like that, and just again be mindful about not removing it too quickly, because there is an electrical connection right there. So once the old radar is out, just try not to drop it, try not to lose it, and then just clip it into the new housing. And then right there you can see that waterproofing gasket, and then all of it just kind of clamps together. And once it is seated properly, just put back the screws. Tighten the screws a little bit, but not too tight. It is all plastic, so you don't want to crack that housing. So once everything is all transferred into the new unit, it clips back into the truck like that. And then just be mindful with those plastic pins again. Just try to align them. Try not to push too hard on it. Everything should align nice and good. And then those 2 bolts go back in with the 8mm, and then removing the plastic on the new housing at the end there. A little bit of it got caught up against the body of the truck. And here we're just going to confirm that the lights all work. So that's the hazard lights, daytime running lights all work. So all the colors are the same. The luminosity, all of that looks good. Reverse lights right there, brake lights. So once you do the switch, just try to make sure all the lights work. And after this, I did go on a drive and to confirm that the radar did work. So the radar did work, that blind spot monitoring did work, and if you did it all correctly, everything should be all nice like this.